All right. So let's keep going. So, in a nutshell, what am I working on today? I'm working on some stuff. Basically, going to be fixing a couple of errors, prepping the system to be able to take in and actually boot with the SFTP setup that we currently have. So it's no longer going to be using SSH. I already broke that part. Now what's basically left over is taking the SSH systems on the SFTP browser window side and then tapping that into the new polling system, the API-based polling system that we had for what is currently available. So basically now, instead of building the entire directory, what I'm doing instead is basically taking polls of what is currently available, and then we're using a reverse API for any time that any actions are taken within the OS. Basically, those actions are going to be updated. It's going to update instead of updating constantly, unnecessarily. What I'm doing instead is, which is basically, that's what the LLM wanted me to do, but I don't want to do that because it's inefficient. It's not necessary. So what I came up with for that was basically you would use I have a watchdog that basically is watching every single action that is currently taken by the OS, in the sense of for every file movement, and it has a certain folder that it watches, a certain directory area that it watches. It's resolved by the resolved root. The resolved root defines what the watchdog watches. So basically what I'm doing now is taking so it's watching this resolved root, which is basically what the